and today we're going to be doing something that I think is going to be really fun. Since y'all like the ASMR video, I'm going to be making slime. So yeah, by the way, this is not becoming a slime channel, and I also wanted to clear things up because you might get the wrong idea. No, I do not sleep in this room. This is for a story time thing that I've been planning. And yeah, so let's get on with the video. Shaving cream, glue, and eye relief. It's like, you use it to make the slime. And a spoon and a bowl. It's a pretty dirty spoon, I found it on the floor. So yeah, let's get on with the video, and it's probably going to have a really bad view, but you're gonna have to deal with it, okay? Okay. All right, so first you add your glue. Well, I add my glue. You don't get to add your glue, it's fine. That sounds like a fart, but it's really nice. It's nice farts. Ooh, I missed that sound. Okay, now I've added the glue. And now we're going to add shaving cream. Right to our shaving cream, but we're gonna use it. Oh, that's that's not the right time. Well, I guess it's not gonna be fluffy slime, so that's something. Guys, I'm sorry this is such a bad view, but yeah. Soon, by Christmas, I'll have a better camera and stuff, so I'll have that all set up and nice and pretty and perfect. So yeah, but for now, I'm just gonna stir this. And I'll see you in a second when I'm done stirring that. I'm going to add the final ingredient, this stuff, which hopefully will work, or else this will just be a big waste of time. Let's see. I'm gonna stir this and I'll see you in a second. I made an egg. It smells and looks like an egg. So I'm going to add some trusty dusty lotion to see if that works. So I'll see you in a second if this works. Failed, and this is the final product. Make sure to like and subscribe. All right, so that was a fail, but I'm going to leave in the clickbait that it's a success so people look it up. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to go and comment, like, subscribe, click the bell, do the things.